All right, guys, I wanted to do a full breakdown here for you on this seafood boil kit that I got off of Amazon to show you everything that it comes with, the quality of it, and us actually cooking some food in it. So first off, you do get a ton of different accessories here. So I have it all stored inside. I wanted to show you everything. I'm going to show you that in a second, but you get the pot. It does come with a little smaller pot as well, depending on what you want to do with it. So there's a ton of different stuff. You can see that right there. The burner is absolutely amazing. It's all solid metal, really, really sturdy stuff. I'm going to show you how well this actually flame works. It cooks water so fast. The actual flame itself is really big, really strong, but this entire thing is heavy duty metal. Love that. And then all the accessories you get, what I loved is you can store it all inside of here. So if you want to put it away, it all fits inside of here. So you have the lid that comes off the pot here. And then you do obviously have, so we have a bunch of stuff in here. This is the cable for the propane tank. It just goes to a 20-pound propane tank. Really like that. And it's got an on and off valve, which I'll show you. It does come with these little injection things. So if you wanted to like shove injections into pork or chicken or anything like that, it comes with one of those with a really nice sharp tip. You do have a thermometer gauge that actually clips on the side, so you can put it in the meat or whatever you want to do, or the water to get the actual temperature of the water. It has a hanger right here. So this is one of those hangers so you can do for like deep frying a turkey or deep frying a chicken, anything like that. It comes with that as well. You do also have a steamer here as well, so you don't have to actually like boil everything in it. You can put the water in the bottom, steam it with this if you wanted to. And then you do get the actual like grate itself. So when you put it in the pot, you can pull it all out. The water comes pouring out and all the food's inside. And then just to keep going through here, you also do get this metal, all stainless steel strainer. So you can kind of strain out whatever you're doing. Crab legs, shrimp, chicken, corn, anything like that. You can strain it out. And you get this little deep fryer as well. So you can deep fry chicken wings or whatever you want. You can see this one would fit perfectly in here, just like that. So you can do whatever you want. If you're doing fish or a smaller batch of fish or anything like that, it all fits in. And then what I thought was awesome is you get this giant bag that everything fits into. So you can put it all into this bag, close it up, put it in your shed or garage or anything like that. So the food's done boiling here. You can see we have not much in there and you can fill it up so much more. And then the finished product, we did crab legs, potatoes, corn. It turned out amazing. And again, I could have made 4 times the amount of this. So you can see the food turned out amazing. What I love about this thing is you can fill it up all the way to the top, make a huge boil for a ton of people if you have a big party, or you can just put like we did. I just did it a little shorter for my wife and I. We just made a little small for just 2 of us. So really, really good quality. Absolutely love this thing. Works